The recruitment selection matriculation funnel at Teach for India is a three-step process to ensure that all the fellows who join Teach for India are informed, inspired, and invested. They are informed about Teach for India, the organization and the work that it does, the movement against educational inequity, and the fellowship, its impact, its benefits, and the expectations that we have from each fellow. Inspired by the alumni movement, the fellows, the student impact, and the potential that the fellows bring into the program, and invested in committing 2 years and beyond into the movement and in the program. To build this informed, invested, and inspired fellow, we have a three-step process which starts with the recruitment, which is mostly about advocacy and building an understanding of why they should do the fellowship. So we provide candidates information through direct or indirect outreach, tell them about the fellowship, tell them why they should register and why they should apply. Beyond this, we also have people who need to understand why they should do it now versus later, or why they should choose the fellowship versus something else. So we provide that extensive investment to the candidate to make them apply to the fellowship. We also provide application support to candidates who might need, even though this is mostly an informative practice. Once people have applied, they go through various screening processes, which includes application reviews, phone reviews, and leading up to the assessment center. This screening and all is done by the selection team, and the candidates are evaluated based on 8 competency measures. The matriculation stage is a stage which is only for people who get the offer. From the time they get the offer till the time they join, they might have a span of 6 months to a month or a couple of days, depending on which round they got selected in. And in all of this time, they again need to be informed, invested, and inspired, but more deeply than they had to be in the recruitment process. They need to understand what are the expectations that are there from the fellow, what are the challenges of the fellowship, and challenges of the inequity that they will see in their classroom. This helps them better prepare themselves for the fellowship, and it also builds investment and commitment in them. Second, we inspire them through stories of exceptional fellows, alumni who are path breakers in their field. So it gives them a bigger picture of what is possible through this movement and through the fellowship. Lastly, it builds investment in them to be able to commit for 2 years into the fellowship and actually make the decision to join. This inspire, inform, and investment is done through various events, engagements, one-on-one conversations, or connections to alumni, fellow, and staff. So this is an overview of the selection, recruitment, and matriculation funnel. As we go forward, this is what the different stages and the entire process looks like. It starts from when the person is a prospect. That means they have heard about Teach for India and this has piqued their interest. When they go to the apply website and actually fill out their basic details, then they become a registrant and they have registered for the fellowship. That is where we start talking to them, trying to build their investment into completing their application. Once their application and AMCAT test is complete, they are considered as an applicant and their review starts. All of the yellow pieces are the selection part. So they go through the review, which either puts them as a pre-reject if they haven't met the basic requirements of the fellowship program. Then after a manual review, they are either recommended for a phone review or an assessment center, or they are rejected altogether. Again, a phone review is done if there are some clarifications needed for the application form. If the clarifications are good and we feel that this person has a potential, they are recommended directly to assessment center, or they are a phone review reject. At the assessment center, there are a few morning activities after which there is a evaluation. If people go through that, they are either a midday reject or they go for their personal interview. After the assessment center, they are either an AC reject or an AC accept. After they become an accept, that is when the matriculation stage starts. So they get the offer and they may choose to confirm the offer or decline. After they have confirmed the offer, they go through various events, other engagements, one-on-one conversations, pre-work assignments, and after every stage, as they evaluate their decision to join the fellowship or their decision to decline the fellowship and take other opportunities up due to various reasons, they either go ahead with all of these activities or decline the fellowship. Right before institute, they are asked to fill in their HR form and placement survey. These are onboarding forms to help us start their employment process and to help us understand where they can be placed. And lastly, they join institute. That is where the matriculation stage ends.